Hey guys, I'm going to talk about my M1 Finance account today, what stocks I have in it, and this pretty much is a higher dividend stock account, but I am having some balance to it. So I am having some of the S&P funds, I'm having some of the growth stocks, and I'm having some speculative stocks. So I'm going to talk about um, a little bit about what I have. So each one of these pies, I have a maximum of 12 stocks in them. Some are not completely full. Dividend 1 and 2 are full. Dividend 3 is not quite full. So I got 12 in there, 12 in there, and then once I get 12 in that one, I'll create a Dividend 4 account. Funds is my S&P 500. Big money is like Amazon, Netflix, Tesla, and stocks like that. That one I have approximately 8 stocks in there. Speculative is just complete gambles, growth stocks that will do it. So I'm gonna have a weekly video where I just have talk about my account, where it's at, and talk about a specific fund. And then throughout the week, I'll have different type of videos, but once a week, I'm gonna have my overall fund and what's doing the best today. So today is a down day in the market. It's down, approximately almost 1% for the day. But I'm going to talk about Dividend 1 today because it is the only one that's up today. So I figure that's a good one to start with this topic. And M1 Finance, for the others of you guys don't know, it's a way to get involved in stocks. You can buy fractional shares. There's no commission involved. So again, I'll have a link down below. Please get involved. You'll get an extra $10 into your account when you sign up, and I will as well, for just to be transparent. But again, I'm just here to show you what my account, and I'm here to help. If you guys do join, that's great. If you don't, hey, that's fine too. But I hope you get value on how I'm creating and building my account either way. So yeah, please like and subscribe. Hit the notification for future content, and I do different types of videos on different types of investments I'm doing, and I appreciate the support so far. And that being said, let's get into more specific Dividend 1 and what kind of stocks I have. I have a mix of quarterly and monthly. This one, just by the looks of it, is pretty much all monthly stocks except for one, it looks like. These ones pay a dividend every month. And yeah, so this is a good way to build the account. A lot of these stocks, you're not going to have a lot of growth, but you're getting into them for the income. Um, so a lot of them, a lot of these yields are anywhere from 6 to 10%. And yeah, so let's go over. Look, I'm not going to go into each one. You can kind of read the screen as I'm looking at them. DMO, CLM, CHW, ARR, CBWI, FTF, and so on. So some of the best performing ones I've had so far are NCMI, TAIT. They have a very good yield. And so let's go into NCMI. This one I just had. All right, let's go click all. So I am kind of down on it for the day, but I like this. It has a very good earned income. So once this stock stabilizes and going up, it's going to be a very good income earner. Let's go. I think this one's actually up. So also this one, I've had a little combo of both. It's the market's going up and the earned dividends are going up, so that's what I like to see. But again, I'm only a month into this account, and I have an aggressive approach where I'm depositing every day. I started with $500 just on August 6th. Today's September 6th, and I have almost $1,700 in the account. And that's not due to everything going up. That's due to me depositing every day. As you can see, I'm only $32.40 and $3.90 of earned income added into the account, 3%. And today's a down day. Before the day started, I was up over $50 for the month with just starting the account. That's pretty good. And if you want to check out my last video, I go into spreadsheets on how I started and how I built it up on dividends in just 1 month. and that's going to create a lot of value going forward. So next month's going to even show a lot more of how your dividends will grow. So even in the first month, I went from $20 in yearly dividends to $50 in yearly dividends. You're probably thinking, well, $50 in yearly dividends, big deal. But when you're 3 weeks into the account and you already got $50 of income coming in, that's actually pretty significant. And next month, I'm going to show you, it'll probably go from $50 a year in dividend income to probably 100. Probably the first year, I wouldn't be surprised if every month it pretty much doubles. So, I mean, after a course of being in 2 months where you have, at least $100 of income coming in, I think that's pretty good. So, again, guys, please like and subscribe. Yeah, just quick disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own due diligence. This is just my account. This is what I'm doing. And again, M1 Finance is a great way to do it at your own pace. So again, please, if you're interested, sign up below. If not, I hope you enjoyed the video. Take care, guys.